Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to create gaming logo with AI. So the application that we are using today is going to be called Bing. So this is Bing app, and then I'm just going to open the apps down here below. After doing so, you're going to go ahead and look for the image creator, which is located right here. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. And then you're going to go ahead and describe what you'd like to see. So basically you're going to go ahead and enter your prompt right here. Alright, there you go. So this is what I got. Create a gaming logo featuring the word Flash as the primary text with a cheetah depicted as the symbol character conveying speed and agility. Ensure the design embodies the dynamic essence of gaming culture. So I'm just going to go ahead and click join and create. Okay, after quite some time now, we were finally able to create these amazing logos. So say for example, this one right here. I think this is amazing. I can just go ahead and click this one and then download it just like so. You can do the same thing for all the others. We have this one right here, and another one is this one. Last but not the least is this one. And that is basically how you are going to create your own gaming logo with AI.